Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about subtraction of rational algebraic expressions with different denominator. Actually, kung napanood nyo yung addition of rational algebraic expressions with different denominator, yung proseso doon, ganun-ganun din yung gagawin natin dito. Okay? So let's start with 3 over a minus 4 over a. First step is to find the LCD of a and b. So, dahil magkaiba yung denominator natin, we have A and B, imo-multiply lang natin. So, we have AB. After that, change the denominator by the LCD. So, ibig sabihin, itong original na to, papalitan natin yung denominator. So, magiging over AB minus over AB. So, meaning to say, kukuha tayo ng panibagong numerators. So, now, paano makukuha yung panibagong numerators? Multiply the original fraction by the LCD. So, yung 3 over A muna. Multiply natin sa AB. So, dito, makakancel natin yung A. Then, 3 times B equals 3B. After naman, 4 over B. So, multiply din natin sa AB. Makakancel yung B. So, 4 times A equals 4A. So, yung 3B at 4A, ito na yung magiging bagong numerators. So, we have 3b over ab minus 4a over ab. So, in this case, parehas yung denominator. Tama? Yan yung goal natin. Magkaroon tayo ng parehas na denominator. Kaya tayo kumukuha ng LCD. So, now, let us subtract the rationals. So, we have 3b minus 4a over ab. Yan na yung final answer natin kasi we cannot combine 3b minus 4a kasi nga magkaiba sila ng variables. So, hindi sila similar. Magsasubtract lang tayo kung similar terms sila. Number 2, 5 over x squared minus 2 over x cubed. So, dito, kuha pa rin tayo ulit ng LCD ng x squared at x cubed. Dahil pareha sila ng variable na x, titignan na lang natin yung exponent nila. Titignan natin kung sino yung mas mataas na exponent. So, in this case, yung x cube. So, automatically, yun na yung LCD natin. Pero dito, pakita pa rin natin yung pagkuha ng LCD. So, sa x squared equals x times x. Yung x cube naman, x times x times x. So, dito, yung x and x, dahil parehas, sulat lang natin yan as 1. Tapos yung x ulit at x, dahil magkaparehas, sulat natin as 1. And then yung x na walang kaparehas, isasama pa rin natin yun. Kaya x times x times x equals x cubed. Or, uulitin ko lang, kapag magkaparehas ng base, katulad nito, x and x, kukuhanin natin yung may mas mataas na exponent. In this case, x cubed. After that, palitan na natin yung denominator natin ng x cubed. I-blanko lang muna natin ulit yung numerators. Okay? Para makuha yung numerators, i-multiply natin yung original fraction natin sa LCD. So, 5 over x squared times x cubed. Pwedeng i-cancel yan, tama? So, sa taas, may matitira pa tayong x. 5 times x equals 5x. 2 over x cubed naman times x cubed. So, cancel natin yung x cubed. That means we have 2. So, yung 5x at 2, yan yung panibagong numerators natin. So, we have 5x over x cubed minus 2 over x cubed. After that, let us subtract the rationals. So, in this case, we have 5x minus 2 over x cubed. Hindi na natin pwedeng isubtract yung numerators natin kasi yung 5x may variable na x. Yung 2, walang variable. So, we cannot subtract. So, therefore, 5x minus 2 over x cubed is the final answer. Number 3, a over m squared n minus 2b over n cubed. Kuha tayo ng LCD. So, m squared n equals m squared times n. Yung n cubed naman, n cubed. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung m squared, walang kaparehas. So, isulat natin yon. Tapos, yung n naman at n cubed, di ba magkaparehas? So, sabi natin, pagka magkaparehas ng base, kukuhanin natin yung may mas mataas na exponent. In this case, yung n cubed. Kaya ang LCD natin is m squared n cubed. So, palitan na natin yung denominator ng LCD. So, we have over m squared n cubed minus over m squared n cubed. Then, para makuha natin yung numerators, i-multiply natin yung original fraction sa LCD. So, yung a over m squared n multiply by m squared n cube. So, yung m squared pwedeng i-cancel, n and n cube pwedeng i-cancel. Sa n cube, magiging n squared. Then, a times n squared, that is a n squared. Then, 2b over n cube, multiply natin sa LCD na m squared n cube. So, yung n cube dito pwedeng i-cancel. So, 2b times m squared, that is 2bm squared. So, yung an squared, 2bm squared, yan na yung panibagong numerators natin. Tapos, dahil parehas na ng denominator, subtract na natin. So, yung m squared n cube, yun yung denominator natin. So, we have an squared minus 2bm squared over m squared n cube. So, sa numerator natin, wala naman tayong similar terms. So, we cannot combine or we cannot subtract. So, therefore, this is the final answer. Diyan na muna natin tatapusin yung video. If ever na may question kayo, i-comment nyo lang dyan sa ating comment section. At kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, huwag kalimutan i-click and like. For more videos like this, huwag kalimutan i-click and follow. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.